Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can fix CS2 not launching after new update. So what I did here is I went on CS2 properties, installed files, and browse, and then go to game CS2, and you should see maybe you have autoexec.cfg. If you don't see CFG, that's good, and then look if the problem persists. If it's not working, then right-click on CS2, go to Properties, Installed Files, Browse. Then you need to go to Game, Bin, Win64. Then you should see cs2.exe. Right-click on it, Show More Options, and Properties. Compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for, and if checked, disable full screen optimizations, or run this program as administrator. Make sure to uncheck it, apply the changes, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then make sure your GPU drivers is fully updated. I'm using a media app, so for me it's easy, but maybe using something different. Go to Drivers and make sure your drivers is fully updated. Then what you need to do here is to close Steam. Open up your File Explorer, go to Disk C, then go to a Program Files x86, then you need to go to Steam, and then here you should see User Data File folder. So what you need to do here is to delete this particular folder here. Don't worry, it's just a cache files. It won't affect your game progress or whatsoever, but you need to re-log into your Steam account again. So you need to remember your password, okay? And then what you need to do here is to launch Steam and make sure to run as admin. You can press this button here, and one time it will be run as admin.